Hello and welcome back. Are you tired of making coffee every single morning? Now you want something easy and simple. So now you want to downgrade from your actual espresso machine to something simple. Check out this. Okay, they give you some material, pots. And I have some actually sample pot here as well. So this is the K-pop from Intelligentsia. Intelligentsia is a really nice coffee roasting company. Looking forward to that. Very light. Okay, extremely light. Goodness. Wow. As you can see, this is extremely light, compact. I can hold it with one hand. All right, I'm gonna put some water in it, but man, comes to simple. I mean, this is it. All right, comes to simplicity. We have the power button here, 6 ounce, 8 ounce, and 10 ounce. That's it. We got 4 total buttons, and drip tray. What else? That's it. So before, my setup was Bravo Barista Pro. Now I have extremely simple K-Express. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna wash the water tank, and then I'm gonna wash it, and then I'm going to flush it, maybe once or twice. And then after that, let's brew some coffee. Very simple. And then as you can see, I already filled the water. Comes to water quality matters, folks. Okay, do not use tap water. All right, so I'm using my filter water from Keurig. But again, the water quality matters, so just make sure put the water, good tasting water. Okay, use that. At this point, I'm just going to flush a few times by pressing 8 ounce or 6 ounce, okay, with the empty cup. As you can see, it's empty. Just close it, acting like something is in there. I'm just gonna press 8 ounce cup. Press that. It's pretty hot. Okay, pretty hot there. We're gonna do that for a few times. As you can see, this is extremely simple to set up. So let's brew some coffee. So this is coffee from Intelligentsia. Here we go. It smells great. Cheers, guys. Let's give it a try. Okay. There's something I have to get used to. So I haven't had a K-pod in years, but this is not that bad, okay? Because I tried Dunkin' Donuts K-pod or Starbucks K-pod, but this is by far much, much better, okay? Anyway, I do enjoy the simplicity of making coffee. And I don't know. Let me know in the comment section as well. Let me know what you guys think.